Hello 8th graders, how are you guys? Let's keep working on multi-step equations. I will show some more examples here to finish this homework, this activity. Let's go work here. 11, 8 minus 2, 8 minus 1 equals 118. Let's think about it a little bit before we keep on work on this. The first thing you have to do is multiply this negative here, distributive. Remember, distributive, combine like terms and solve it. Right now, you need to distribute these things here. Let's work on this. 11, 8, negative 1 times 2 8 is negative 2 8s. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1 equals 180. Great. Distributive, okay. Right now, combine like terms. 11, 8 minus 2 8, it equals 9 8 plus 1 equals 180. Right now, I have a two-step equation, easy. Let's work here. What's the opposite for positive 1? It's negative 1 equals negative 1. And this is goodbye. And here I have 9 8. Oops. 9 8 equals 117. And right now, I need, what's the opposite for multiply 9? Is divide 9. Just divide by 9. 9 divided by 9, it's A1. 8 equals 117. 117 divided by 9. As you know, guys, this is 13. Oops, 13. Great. That's the answer. We finished number 7. Let's go work here number 8. Right now, it's kind of new. Right now I have fractions. Remember, we work with fractions too. Here is negative 25 and a half. 10x minus 2 plus 3x. First thing, remember, right here again. 1, distribute. 2, combine like terms. 3, solve it. First thing, let's distribute if necessary. Yes, it's necessary, this first one. I have a parenthesis here. Just repeat it here. I change the color. Let's go to purple. Negative 25 equals and half times 10x, it equals, this first one equals, and a half of 10 is 5x. And a half of negative 2, it is just 1, plus 3x. Right now, done distributing. Let's combine like terms. 5x, just repeat it here, negative 25 equals 5x plus 3x, it equals 8x. 8x minus 1. Done. We have two-step equation right now. Just work it. Opposite for negative 1, it is positive 1. And positive 1 here, it equals negative 25 plus 1, it's negative 24, equals 8x. This is goodbye. 8x. What's the opposite for 8? Multiply 8. Is divided 8. Divide by 8. Let's do it. 8 by 8 is 0 here. Goodbye. Guys, I just because I did a nice exercise here. You know, 8 divided by 8. Goodbye. And divide by 8 here. Negative 24 divided by 8. It is equals, let me just work, by 8. Nice. Better. What number times 8 equals negative 24? It's negative 3. Yes. X equals negative 3. Done. And here 9. 7 minus 5 halves of 8r minus 6 plus 2r equals 32. Great. Let's do it here. Okay, you need to distribute first. First distribute. Negative 5 halves times 8r. As you remember, you just work on this. Half 8 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20. 7 minus 20 r. 20r. And a half of 6 is 3. 3 times 5. 3 times 5, it's negative 15 plus 2r's equals 32. Right now, let's work on this, the combine like terms. I combine numbers, constant with constant, and variables with variables. Let's start with variables first. Negative 20 plus 2r's is negative 18r's. 7 minus 15, 7 minus 15, I think it's negative 8. It's negative 8 equals 32. Nice. I am right now in two-step equation. Negative 18r minus 8 equals 32. The opposite for negative 8 is positive 8. Positive 8. It is 0, and here the result is negative 18r equals 40. And right now I have this one. What's the opposite for dividing, multiply by negative 18? It's divided by negative 18. Divided by negative 18. Okay, this is done. Just r. R equals 40 divided by negative 18. As you can remember, with the negative, positive divided by negative, it is negative. The result is negative. And just for you know, let's keep this in fraction. I think it's better to we understand this one. Just divide by 2, divided by 2. Here's 20 over 9. I can divide more. Just it. It's okay. That's right. Don't have any problem if you do it. If you have any questions about those exercises here and showing to you guys, please email me, Mister, I need your help. Okay, I am available to help you, to guide you in any exercise you need to solve it. Okay, and right now, guys, let's work on this problem here on second this one. I have a question. Oh, guys, I forgot here. It is positive here. Oh, pay attention. Pay attention. It's important this happen to try to show you when I have a problem, I have a different situation, different result. Let me show you. Here, it's wrong. Oh, Mister, yes, it's wrong. And happens because the signal. You need to pay attention about the signal, guys. Here. I think is everything correct here. Here is wrong too. Pay attention here. Here is wrong. You understand where is my mistake. Negative 5 halves divided by times 8 r's. Like as I said to you, this is 4 times 5, 20, negative 20r, correct. But here is negative times negative is positive. Can you see the difference? We change everything right now. Right now it's positive. Here, a half of 6 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. The other things is correct. Not anything change. Right now here, it's negative 18r, negative 20r plus 2r's. Negative 18r's. 7 plus 15. 7 plus 15. It is equal 7 plus 15, 7 plus 15. Okay, 7 plus 15, as you remember, is 22. So can you see all the difference? We have a different result right now. Okay, negative 18r plus 22 equals 32. And right now, let's solve it. Let's do it just right now. Let's work on this. And negative 18r's. The opposite for is 22. Negative 22. And right now, we're working on this. Negative 22, goodbye. Negative 18r's equals 10. Can you see the difference? Is everything different right now? Just divide by negative 18. Negative 18. And just cut it off. Goodbye. Result is r equals 10 over negative 18. 10 over negative 18. I can divide by 2. Divide by 2 here. By 2 here. It's 5 over 9 negative. Okay? And last one here. 5 times the difference. I'll translate and solve. We have to translate and after solve it. 5 times the difference of twice a number, and 3 decreased by the sum of the number, and 8 equals 13. Let's understand right now this one. 5 times, okay, 5 oops, 5 times. Here, remember, parentheses here, probably. The difference, I have a negative here, of twice a number, 2x minus and 3, twice a number and 3, great. And here, decrease it by negative. And remember, comma here remind me to end the parentheses, okay? Minus, decrease it by the sum of here, minus the sum of a number, of the number, the same number, of the number, okay, x again, and 8 equals 13. Great. Let's solve it right now, guys. Remember, distribute first. Distribute. 5 times 2x, it is 10x. 5 times negative 3, it's negative 15. And here I need to distribute too, okay? Negative times x, it's minus x. Minus times positive 8, it is negative 8, equals 13. Right now, combine like terms. So if we need to distribute, let's combine like terms. 10x minus x is 9x. Negative 15 minus 8, as you can remember, it is result me 520 and 23. Negative 23 equals 13. Right now, guys, just work on this. It is easy. Let's find out this. Just right now, the opposite for negative 2. Right now, two-step equation. The opposite here is 23 positive and 23 positive here. 23 positive. Just work on this. You will find out here, goodbye, 9x equals 36. And right now, the opposite for multiply 9 is divide 9. Divide 9. This is goodbye. I have just x right now. X equals 36 divided by 9. What number times 9 equals 36? And we know it. The answer is 4. That's it, guys. This is our work. We did it very well. Remember, the other size, exercise 9. I did a mistake here. Yeah, you need to resolve it. Okay, you understand this with. Guys, that's it. See you later.